Hi everyone, today we're making an easy whiskey old fashioned. We will start by adding about 1/2 of a teaspoon of sugar and 1 or 2 ice cubes to a glass, followed by a couple dashes of bitters. And then we will take a couple slices off this orange peel. The reason why we are using this orange peel is to not only flavor the drink, but also to create an aromatic presentation of the glass. Once we have our orange peels sliced, we will squeeze them to extract the oil. One peel will be for the interior of the glass, and the other will be for the exterior. We will then add 1 or 2 maraschino cherries, followed by 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon or rye whiskey. And then give everything a nice thorough stir. And enjoy. Cheers everyone, and happy cooking.